This is how YouTube algorithm works in 70 seconds. When you publish a video, the algorithm pushes it out to a select number of people who follow you, and people who don't, but are likely to align with your interests. The algorithm then keeps track of two different things: watch time and engagement. Watch time is what the algorithm loves the most. The longer a user watches your content, the longer they stay on the platform, allowing it to promote more ads and make more money. If viewers watch for long enough, the algorithm pushes your video to more people who may be interested. If they don't, your content receives no boost. If users decide to engage through commenting, liking, or sharing your content, this also tells the platform to promote your videos to more people, resulting in more views and subscribers to your channel. Perhaps you have noticed that recently, with the evolution of artificial intelligence, in most YouTube channels use animations like 10x income and digital income project. Currently, this type of animation is very popular. So in today's video, I will show you how to create these animations in a simple way with CapCut and some other free tools. So without further any ado, let's jump to it. First of all, go to CapCut.ai. Here, search for Anime Boy. Now find the character that suits your channel. For example, I'll select this one and save the image to your device. Now we need to remove background, and for this, I'll use Photopea Photo Editor. So, go to the Photopea and import your image. Here, choose the Quick Selection tool and select the character. If the selection didn't work well, from here click on Select Subject. Now, hit Ctrl and J to make a copy. Then delete the background image and go to the file and export image as PNG. Then again go to the CapCut.ai and this time search for Gaming Room. Choose the one you like and download it. Now it's Edith's turn, so open the CapCut and create a new project. Insert images. Drag the background image to the timeline. Now we need some assets like table, microphone, etc. For table, go to Google and search for table. Find the best one. Download it, then remove the background with Photopea and import it into CapCut. Now drag the table image to the timeline and resize the image like this. Now it's the character's turn. Drag it in the timeline and reduce its size. Change the character image by 20 pixels on the table. Place the table layer above the character layer. Select the table layer and from the right side, change the layer number to 2 so that the picture of our character is placed behind the table. Now we need high-quality photos of Mike and other assets. For this we are going to use the FreePic site. So go to FreePic site, link available on description, and search for Gaming Mike. And from left side select vector. And here we have thousands of different high-quality image. You can search for any asset here and find it, then just remove the image background and use it. I have already downloaded all the necessary assets, such as the photo of the laptop and the mic, the animated video of coffee, green screen mouth, some relaxation videos, and a voiceover for test, which we are going to use. I will put the download link of all of these in the description. You can download it easily, and all of them is without copyright. Once you have downloaded the files, enter the program and import them. Now import the coffee video to the timeline. Go to Video section, Cutout, enable Chroma key, Color Picker, select the green color, increase the strength to 100 and the shadow to 50. Reduce its size and place it here. Drag the mic image to the timeline, reduce its size and place it here. Do the same process for the laptop image. Now let's make the video a little dynamic, so disable all layers except the background layer. Now zoom in on this TV. Then drag one relax video above a background layer. Resize the video to fit the TV. Then go to the mask and select rectangle mask. Match the mask to the TV. Then go to the basic settings and change the blend mode to soft light. Activate all layers. But as you can see, the video layer is placed on our character layer. To fix this, select the video layer and go to the basic section. Scroll down and change the layer to 1. Now let's add zoom in and zoom out effect to make our video more dynamic. For this, select all layers. Right-click and select Create Compound Clip. The shortcut is Alt-G. First, drag the test audio to the timeline. Then, drag the mouth video on top of all layers. Remove green background with chroma key. Change its size and place it on the character's mouth. Now, wherever the sound stops, cut the layer of the mouth and remove it from there, just like me. Let's play the video to see how it looks.
How many income streams are you, your friends, and family aware of? How many income sources do you currently take advantage of? Rich people don't just have one income source like many of the working class. How many...
Looks great, but the video looks dry, so let's add the zoom in and out effects. So, undo compound clip. Then select all layers and create compound clip again. Now, to add zoom in and zoom out, we need to add keyframe. And to add keyframe, go to the right and click on the keyframe icon. Go forward 3 seconds and increase the scale size. Add another keyframe and decrease the size. The zoom in speed is high, so adjust the keyframes. Now you can use effect from effects section. There is lots of effects that you can use. I use this one and customize it a bit from here. The video is ready. Let's export it and see the final result.
How many income streams are you, your friends, and family aware of? How many income sources do you currently take advantage of? Rich people don't just have one income source like many of the working class.
Today I'm going to reveal the exact steps to create those viral videos that are capturing millions of views on Instagram and YouTube. And here's the best part. It only takes a few minutes to create these masterpieces. Just look at these Instagram pages and YouTube channels. They're skyrocketing to fame with millions of views and followers in no time. But guess what? You don't need to spend hours scripting or editing. All you need is your mobile phone and a stable internet connection to create exactly the same video as them. And don't worry, I'll be demonstrating on my PC, but you can follow along on your phone just like a pro. First step, go to leonardo.ai and sign up. Now click on AI image generation. Here's where the magic happens. Select the highest dimension. From here, select 2 and also make sure to select Dreamshaper V7 model to get the best result for our image. Now write your prompt here. The prompt should be the same one that I am using right now. I'll share this prompt in description with you. Now here you can only change the person if you want. Like here I am using a Zen master, but you can change it to like an old man, a warrior, or anything like that. After that, click on generate. Now I select the first one. And from here you can upscale your image to get better result. Our avatar image is ready, so simply download it. Second step, script. Now it's time to generate a script for our video, and we'll turn to the trusted ChatGPT for assistance. Simply paste this prompt that I have provided in the description, and if you want you can customize it as you want. Now watch as ChatGPT works its magic, providing you with a video script that will captivate and inform your audience. Third step, image to video. Now it's time to bring our video to life using the image we generated with the power of AI. Here's how we'll do it. First, head over to did.com. Now click on the free trial option. Once you're in, click on Create Video. See that little plus sign? Click on it. Sign up with your email ID or simply continue with Google. Now select Add and upload the AI-generated image. Here paste the script, and you can also upload your own audio here. Next, it's time to infuse your video with the perfect voice and style. From here you can choose the language of the video. Browse through the various options and find the one that fits your character. And also you can select the voice style. Now let's preview the voice to see how it is.
5 tips how to control your emotions. Number 1. Never.
That's perfect, so let's generate the final video. Hit that generate video button. It will show you how many credits it will consume. By default, you'll receive 20 credits. But fear not, you can either purchase more credits, or if you're feeling savvy, sign up with a different email ID to score another round of 20 credits totally free. Now behold the magic as your video comes to life. Once it's ready, simply download it. But hold on, because the best is yet to come. You see, many folks out there are doing the same thing, but their video quality suffers because they simply download and upload the file. Even worse than singing in the shower until you get soap in your mouth. But not us, we're taking it up a notch. Fourth step, subtitles. Before we proceed, let's add some captivating captions to our video. To achieve this, we'll be using a fantastic free video editing tool called Capwing AI. First, go to thecapwing.com and sign up. Now click on Create New Project. Upload the video from here. Now click on this plus icon. Go to the subtitle section and click on Auto Subtitles. From original language, choose the video language. And also the best part is that you can translate your video subtitles to another language. Now from right side you can edit the subtitle settings. There is lots of text style that you can choose from, but I want to create my own style. Here I'll change the font, size, and color. From animation section you can change the text animations. And from transition section you can change the text transitions. Now let's play the video to see the result.
5 tips how to control your emotions. Number 1. Never take anything personal. Number 2. Always control your facial expressions. Number 3. Don't react to insults, but never forget them. Number 4.
That's good. But now we have two problems. The first is the video watermark, and the second is the video quality. For these problems, I found a program that solves both problems. The app name is Wink, and for download go to wink.meitu.com. From main page you can download the app. And you can use this app on Android, iOS, and Windows devices. I downloaded the Windows version and installed it on my computer, but you can use the phone app on your phone. The Windows app is in Chinese and you can't change the app language, but don't worry, the phone version has English. This application has many features, but today we need these two parts. First, we want to remove the watermarks, so click on this, and from here upload the video. Now select the object you want to delete with this brush. And click on this button. When the process is finished, export the video. And click on this home button to go to the main page. Now select this section and upload the video. Click on this button and wait for the process to finish. Your video is ready. Now let's watch the final result.
5 tips how to control your emotions. Number 1. Never take anything personal. Number 2. Always control your facial expressions. Number 3. Don't react to insults, but never forget them. Number 4. If you react to ladies, you are weak.